एक्सीलेटर।
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this, reaching for the stars.
Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. Today is 10th of September, time is around 7:30 am and it's Sunday, so we are going for a short ride to Pushkar. Stay tuned. Now I am heading to meet some of my friends which are waiting for me at Mittal Hospital, and from there we'll start a ride to main Pushkar city. So good morning everyone, today is Sunday and I'm all set. So let's start our ride. Just 2 days back I made a plan of riding it, for it's Sunday and we don't do much on Sundays, so I thought let's go for a short ride, and Pushkar is nearby, so I thought let's ride to Pushkar only. So that's the new property.
Traveling so far, like a dragonfly, just grab my hand from him, send with me tonight. I run.
हेलो उर्वेश, हेलो दोनों ही यस. So we are starting our ride and heading to Pushkar now. Basically we are 4 riders. There is one Duke 390, there is Duke 200 and INS Vikrant and my bike Pulsar. And from here starts the climb. That's the Maharana Pratap Smarak to my left, and that's the statue of Maharana Pratap. Actually from here starts the Pushkar. That's the entrance. तो अभी अपन सनसेट चले डेजर्ट चले? डेजर्ट चले. So now the twist is we are going to do some off-roading. Get back to you. To my right is the Mela ground in Pushkar. The Pushkar fair, I think happening next month, will be happening here only. The back side of Pushkar. All everywhere it is desert. Here, so sand off-roading will start, and they all are deflating their tires, which is recommended when you ride in or drive in sand, just to get more traction. काफ़ी है, देखना रोड पे फिर इश्यूज नहीं है. जस्ट राइड इट, अगर नहीं समझ में आया ना वहाँ रोक के फिर कर लेना, एकदम से ज़्यादा मत करो.
देखना हवा कैसे चेक करूँ, कम फ्रंट.
हाँ फ्रंट की थोड़ी बहुत ही कम कर दो. So we are starting now. Let's go. To be very steady. See this, how tire is moving around. And there are chances that you can burn your clutch plates by over revving and using half clutch. Let's see if we can make it. We need bit of momentum, but no momentum at this moment. and let's see how others make. उतर जा उतर के कर, उतर जा और उतर के करता जाओ। एक्सीलेटर हार्ड दे एंड जस्ट हार्ड एक्सीलेटर दो। एक्सीलेटर आगे चारों। So guys are doing great, and it's the first time they are riding in sand. They are a little bit nervous, although that RC made it and this Duke is trying. And after this will be my chance. In sand, never use the front brake in bike and never brake in between, like they are stuck now. And in sand, always go with the line that has the track that has been made by the other vehicle. Like I will be going on this track and not on the other track. On a track too, and if you have watched my old videos, I have come to this place before, but in my gypsy. So it was an easy climb for gypsy, but for bikes like this loose sand, if you just break the momentum and you are completely gone. Best part about bike is if you get stuck, bike can be rescued easily with just a push or like that. But if car gets stuck, seriously, you need to either have a backup car or you need a lot of manpower. मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। घोड़े भी चल रहे हैं वहीं, हमारी बाइक भी चल रही है वहीं। This was the climb. Here is the climb which I was talking about, and I will try it if possible. करेंगे, ये भी कोशिश करेंगे, देखें। You can see the tire marks. Last time I took that route for gypsy. This one is a little tough as it's steep and it takes a little more skills to ride. Having a lot of fun. Here is Yash. They are trying to climb that hill, and now I will try and let's see if I can make it. It's a steep one. In video it's not looking like that, but in real it's steep one. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. So now it's my turn, and let's see till where I can make it. एंड एक्सपेक्टेड ज़्यादा ऊपर चढ़नी थी नहीं, आधे में अटक गई। कहाँ तक फंस गई है, ऊपर नहीं चढ़ेगी, बहुत लूज सैंड है।
थिंग आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट। थोड़ी यहाँ तो चढ़ी जाएगी, लेट्स सी। ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा बताऊँ। बढ़िया बढ़िया, धीरे धीरे, एक्सीलेटर ज़्यादा नहीं। रुक रुक रुक, पूछ दे रहा हूँ। चल, so for sure KTM is not made for these terrains. Back to Pushkar. This place was around 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometers from Pushkar. Now we are heading back to Pushkar again for some breakfast. It was seriously a fun day. These guys came and it was fun. Next time we'll come with more bikers. आज भी Pulsar proved why I call her beast. Not even a single place where it got stuck. Back on roads again and taking right turn from here. Entering in Pushkar. And now it's time to have some breakfast. We'll have poha and some juice. We are having our breakfast here. क्या खा रहे हैं अपन? पोहे। ये बच्चे लोग अब बड़े हो रहे हैं धीरे धीरे। इन्होंने मिट्टी में गाड़ी चलाई है, कल कीचड़ में चलवाएंगे। एंड फ्रॉम हियर स्टार्ट्स द क्लाइंब ऑफ पुष्कर। We have reached Ajmer and time to say goodbye to our friends. चलो ध्यान रखो, बहुत अच्छा लगा। अब बिल्कुल जल्दी नेक्स्ट राइड प्लान करते हैं। मैं ग्रुप बना